In today's Triad guitar lesson, I'm going to show you how to play a 1-4-5 chord progression in the key of G major using triads on strings 1, 2, and 3 in 3 different places. That sounds kind of confusing, but it's actually pretty easy. Let's take a look. All right, so the first triad, we're going to play our 1-4-5 around. We're going to start with this G major triad. I went over these triads in the last triad lesson, and this is going to be a first inversion G major triad here. And then the 4 chord is C, so we can play it right here, where it's C, E, G. That's a root position triad because it has the root in the bottom, goes root, 3rd, 5th. And then the 5 chord is D, so we can play it right here. Just a regular plain old D chord. And that is a second inversion because it has the A in the bottom. It goes A, D, F sharp, or 5, 1, 3. So for this set right here of 1-4-5, we have G, C, and D. If you would like to get the charts for this guitar lesson, you can do so over on my website for free. I'll put the link down in the description. All right, now let's move up to the next set. We have a G right here. This is second inversion because it has the 5th in the bottom, 5, 1, 3. So this is G. Then we're going to go to this first inversion C triad, where it's E, G, C right here. So we have the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and then the 5 chord. I'm going to go back down here for this D, F sharp, A right there. If you were playing a song, you know, I might go like this, G, C, D, just because of the ease of sliding up and down. But I'm trying to I'm doing this on purpose so that we cover all of them. So the 1 chord is G, the C chord is right here, first inversion, then a root position right here, D. All right, and that's the middle set. Now, if we go up here to the higher set here, the 3rd set, we're going to start here with G and go G, G, B, D. And that's a root position triad right here. So we have G. Then we're going to play C right up here. Kind of feels like a D chord, but we're going to play it right down here on frets 12 and 13. So we have G, the 1 chord, C, the 4 chord, and then D, we're going to do this D major first inversion triad because it has the F sharp in the bottom, F sharp, A, D. So for this, it's going to be G, C, and then D. Those are the 3 different sets that you can play on strings 1, 2, and 3 for a G major scale. Of course, you don't want to just do this in G major. You want to do this around in any key. So I would advise practicing it around the circle of fifths. That way you get practice doing this exercise in all 12 keys. If you enjoyed this triad video and you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel and maybe leave a comment down below. That'll help out my channel and maybe it'll help you out if you have any questions about triads. I will see you in the next lesson.